It's a mammoth task for Magistrate Newzroom Afrika, who has to determine if it is in the best interest of justice to release this 31-year-old murder-accused mother on bail. It took over an hour for the state and defense to argue and counter each other during Monday's closing arguments.
The applicant, prima facie, is the cause of Jayden's death. And having done so, she went on an elaborate scheme, so to speak, to conceal her actions by reporting him as missing, knowing full well that he laid harmed in her unit.
During the cross-examination, it became evident to the court that there were many flaws in the state's investigation. There were contradictions, especially in respect of the identity of the identification of the uniform of the minor child Jayden. We heard 3 different descriptions of the clothing that Jayden was wearing on the 13th of May, 2025.
The defense argued that the state's case rests on circumstantial evidence, something it will try to prove during the trial. The defense alleges that the state fabricated and reconstructed events to implicate Tiffany.
It will also become evident at the trial that various other people had access to Unit 13 from the 14th of May up until Jayden's funeral. Third parties had another set of keys to open and close Unit 13. The strength of the state's case is not as strong as initially perceived. And it is our humble submission that is one of the factors that the court should consider when considering bail, is does the court have a strong enough case to secure conviction against the applicant at the trial?
The state maintains that it has arrested the right person and there's no other suspect in the murder case.
It is our contention that for whatever reason, the applicant returned then on the 14th, on the morning of the 14th of May at around 4 or so, 4 a.m. And I don't want to use the word drag, but she took out Jayden from the unit number 13, and then placed him in the passage just a few meters away from the unit. Now, that is the totality of the evidence.
A slew of residents say they will come out in numbers to support Jayden-Lee ahead of the court's decision on Tuesday. For Newzroom Afrika on Channel 405, I'm Scara Mafokoane at the Roodepoort Magistrate's Court.